All right. I want to update my lithium battery, about 10,000 kilowatt lithium battery. This is tele make. This is 10,000 kilowatts. That is 200 amps, equivalent to 48-volt battery. So, but in this case, I don't have the battery showing me 200 amps capacity. So I want to step it up to 200 amps. It's showing me about 100 amps. So I want to work on the BMS, that's the battery management system, using my laptop. And this is how you do the connection. You have a wire. There's an RG45 mini 45 interface here, then connected like this, as you see, through another interface. This is RS232, male and female looped together. Then with the end is a normal USB in. That's if you don't have mini RJ RS232 to USB normal, then you can do your connections like this. Now the second thing there is, with your laptop on, you must then have the BMS tools or the software installed in your laptop. So I'll just call it up. It's a little rusty. Let me just yeah, it's coming up. Then in a short while the software will come up. Okay, yes, that is the BMS software tool for upgrading your battery to any voltage of your choice. Now here you have different parameters, you have different tool functions, but what I'm going to concentrate myself in is in this system configuration. But there, before we go there, there's a password which we're supposed to assign here at this column. So I'm going to assign that password there. 188178. So immediately you apply your password, and if it's correct, this column will turn green and this place will have colors, as well as this place will give you a highlight of open. So you go to the open highlight and click it. Now it's open. Then with this open, but before you commence all this, you must make sure your battery is in off position. But when you arrive at this spot, you can now put your battery on. Yes, there's an on switch here. If you can see it, there's an on switch here. I'll put it on. So immediately you put it on, then you're going to have a kind of a reflection here where you have corn. The corn will behave as a battery that is charging, showing you there's a link between the battery and the system. Yes, so it's open now. So I go to my system configuration. I click on this read button. Click on this read button. Yes, this was what I have initially, till I now changed it to 200. So whatever you have here as your full capacity, you want to change it, I can change it to 150. I can change it to 150. I can change it to 200, depending on what I want. So because the battery capacity is supposed to be 200, I'll leave it at 200. So it's actually 200, don't mind the 1000 there. So when you finish, you click on this right column. Yes, if you click on this right column, you are done with the update. So that is it. You close the software. Yes, and to confirm what you have done, you come to the battery display. You go to the menu, analog info, enter, then you scroll down till you get to cell capacity. Cell capacity, you click enter. Then FCC, full charge capacity, we're going to see 200 amps. So we are done. That is what we want. So that's the end of the update.